In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Whether you're actively job hunting or just periodically browsing new opportunities, setting up job alerts can keep you informed about the latest openings that match your criteria. So let's dive into the process with a step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn's homepage. Simply open your browser and type in linkedin.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so. You have the option to sign in using Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address and password. For those of you with two-factor authentication enabled, don't be surprised if LinkedIn prompts you to verify your account. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone number, ensuring your account security. Once inside, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn homepage where you'll see the jobs icon. Give that a click. This will lead you to LinkedIn's job search page, which is where the magic starts. Now focus on the search bar that sits across the top of this page. Here, you can either enter keywords, a particular job title, a skill, or even directly the name of a company for which you're interested in working. After entering your search terms, you will find yourself on a search results page filled with various job openings. Your next task is to locate the Set Alert toggle, which is generally positioned towards the top left of the page. With a simple flick of this toggle to the on position, you'll have successfully created a job alert for the criteria you just searched for. Following this, a confirmation pop-up should appear, reassuring you that your job alert has been activated. This brings us closer to the final touches. It's time to manage your alerts by clicking on what is usually a Manage Alerts link, found near the Set Alert toggle. Here you can fine-tune how often you want to receive these alerts, selecting either daily or weekly notifications. The customization doesn't stop there. You can also select your preferred method of receiving these notifications, with options including email and mobile notifications. Once you're happy with your selections, there will likely be a Done or Save button for you to click, which will lock in your choices. With that, your settings are saved and you're all set to stay updated on job postings without having to incessantly check LinkedIn's job board. And there you have it, a streamlined way to keep track of employment opportunities tailored to your interests and preferences, making your job search one step easier. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful LinkedIn tips and tricks in the future.